Hello guys, we are from BEA second year. I'm gonna introduce you to our fluid mechanics project, and it is called Mini Atomizer. Hi, my name is Muhammad Nur Abrabinuddin.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izati binti Rosli.
Hi everyone, my name is Kate.
Hi, my name is Shirong.
Oftentimes, we need a device that can transform liquid into mist to spray something as homogeneously as possible. For example, a device for emitting water, perfume, or other liquids as a fine spray. However, these spray devices might be expensive and inconvenient to get. Hence, our project is to create a technically innovative, low-cost, and handy device that produces a fine spray from a liquid. This device is a mini atomizer that was built using a bicycle pump to generate an air jet, a glass container as a water reservoir, and a straw as the tube. This type of atomizer is created to be used for cleaning products, paints, and drug applications. Some examples of atomizer include cooking sprays, medical inhalers, spray bottles, and perfume spray bottles. The atomizer is composed of several elements: the container that holds the liquid, the straw that draws the liquid to the spray nozzle, and the bicycle pump to generate an air jet. In its simplest form, the atomizer works based on changes to the air pressure at the spray nozzle.
And now we are gonna learn about the mechanism of this project. But first, we learn the history. Did you know that it was invented by Francis Edgar Stanley in 1876 and further development by Abner Pierre to solve lack in continuous air supply? The theory for this project, by using a fast-moving or compressed air through an aspirator, will create a local reduction in air pressure, or you can call it as a suction, that allows liquid from the water reservoir be pulled at normal atmospheric pressure. Technically, when the air exits from the venturi at high speed, the pressure will be lower than the atmospheric pressure. Then, the higher pressure will be getting sucked by vacuum to equalize the pressure. This is why the liquid from the water reservoir be pulled out and getting sprayed with the airflow.
Now, let us look into how the atomizer works. When the pump is pushed, the air flows at high velocity through a nose. The flow of air at high velocity creates a region of low pressure above the straw. This will cause the surrounding atmospheric pressure to be slightly higher than the low pressure that created above the straw. The higher the pressure of the atmospheric air act on the surface of the liquid cause it to rise the liquid into the straw. The liquid leaves the top of the immersed straw through the nose as a fine spray.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how to make a mini atomizer. The things we need to complete this project is a glue gun, cylinder container, mini straw, air pump, empty pen case, bottle cap, and a clear tube. First, drill 2 holes at the top of the cylinder container. Connect the soft plastic tube with the bicycle pump by wrapping the connecting part with insulating tape. Next step, insert small straw in hole of the cylinder container cap and seal the interior from insertion with glue. Here, we're using pen case to provide a stable case for the tube. Then, we glue the other side of the tube with a pen case. Put a small bottle cap on container cap and glue it together. Then, glue the pen case onto the bottle cap. Then, attach the tire valve with the clear tube. After glue the tire valve with the clear tube, attach the tire valve with air pump. And the last step is testing the finished product. Now let us look at the conclusion.
Atomizer is a device that transforms liquid into mist. When fast gas stream is injected in the atmosphere and across the top of the vertical tube, or straw in our case, it causes a pressure difference between the liquid in the tube and the lower pressure in the gas stream, according to the Bernoulli principle. The difference between the reduced pressure at the top of the tube and the higher atmospheric pressure inside the bottle pushes the liquid from the reservoir up the tube and into the moving stream of air, where it is broken up into small droplets and carried away with the stream of air. This is how the atomizer works. This application is a perfect demonstration of Bernoulli principle. In fluid dynamics, Bernoulli principle states that an increase in the speed of a fluid occurs simultaneously with a decrease in static pressure or decrease in the fluid potential energy. There are few factors that affect the droplet size and how easily a stream of liquid atomizes after emerging from an orifice. Among these factors are fluid properties of surface tension, viscosity, and density. Surface tension tends to stabilize a fluid, preventing it break up into smaller droplets. Everything else being equal, fluids with higher surface tensions tend to have a larger average droplet size upon atomization. A fluid's viscosity has a similar effect on droplet size as surface tension. Viscosity causes the fluid to resist agitation, tending to prevent it break up and leading to a larger average droplet size. Density causes a fluid to resist acceleration, similar to the properties of both surface tension and viscosity. Higher density tends to result in a larger average droplet size.
There are a few parameters such as tube length and diameter of the exit hole will affect the pumping speed performance. First, the relationship between the tube length and the pumping speed performance. We can calculate it by saying the longer the tube length, the slower the velocity of air travel up over the top of the immersed straw. Second, the relationship between the diameter of the exit hole and the pumping speed performance. We can also calculate it by saying the smaller the diameter of the exit hole, the higher the pumping speed. We can improve our project in the future by replacing the manual operated pump with an automatic air generator, so that it can eliminate the manual labor for increasing the reliability. We can use a metal nose which can be handle the pressure better than the plastic one. Lastly, we can mesh an attached water tank so that the water reservoir can be refilled anytime. That's all for our group. Thank you for watching.